Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set up and update your direct deposit in the Paylocity app. Start by opening the Paylocity app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on the My Profile icon in the top left corner. Once there, select Direct Deposit. This is where you'll see all the bank accounts you've linked to your account. To make changes, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner, and it will take you to the direct deposit settings. Here, you can add a new direct deposit or edit existing ones. To add a new bank account, you can click the Add Account option and fill in your account details, including how much your paycheck you want to allocate. Now, to make changes to your existing deposit, go back and select Edit Setup. You'll be able to change your allocation type, amount, and other settings. Once done, tap Save. And that's how you can manage your direct deposit in the Paylocity app. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.